Hello everyone, welcome back you all to science class. Today again we will continue with chapter 1, human body, the circulatory system. In previous video you have learned the structure and function of each part of circulatory system. Today in this video we are going to study about process of blood circulation in body and various ways to keep heart healthy. Let's start with circulation of blood. Circulation means movement. So circulation of blood is all about movement of blood in whole body. Take a deep breath. Where does the air you breathe in go? Well, you might know that the inhaled air goes into the lungs. But that is not the end. Let us study how this air gets mixed with the blood and transported throughout our body. In this whole process, heart plays a vital role. It collects from different body parts the deoxygenated blood and send it to the lungs. It means heart work as a mediator to collect deoxygenated blood from body parts and then send it to the lungs. Then in lungs, blood gives out carbon dioxide and takes in oxygen. In other words, you can say that in lungs, carbon dioxide is removed from the blood and blood gets mixed with oxygen. Then from lungs, these carbon dioxide are expelled out from the body. After that, these oxygenated blood returns to the heart and from the heart, the pure blood is pumped through arteries into the whole body. The blood reaches the various cells and tissues in the organ, give out the oxygen and takes in carbon dioxide. After that, again these deoxygenated blood goes back to the heart and the cycle repeats. The flow of blood from tissues to heart, heart to lungs and back, lungs to heart and then to the tissues is called circulation of blood. Let's understand easily with this diagram. Here, blue color represents veins and deoxygenated blood. Red color is representing arteries and oxygenated blood. Right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle are representing four chambers of the heart. Children, as you know, auricles receive blood and ventricles pump out the blood. So let's learn. Firstly, right side of the blood collects deoxygenated blood from the body, means blood enters into the right auricle from whole body and then it passes to right ventricle. Then these deoxygenated blood enters into the lungs. In lungs, this blood get mixed with oxygen and oxygenated blood. Then from lungs, these oxygenated blood enters into the left side of the heart, that left auricle. Then from left auricle, it goes into the left ventricle and then again these oxygenated blood is pumped through in whole body through the largest artery named as aorta. As blood goes in a heart two times to complete one circulation, so this is also called as double circulation. As you understood that the heart plays a vital role in our body, so it is very important that we keep our heart healthy and strong. So now we will get to know the various ways to keep your heart healthy and strong. For keeping your heart healthy and strong, it is important to eat healthy and nutritious diet. We should eat more fruits and vegetables and use only a limited amount of saturated fats. Instead of 2 or 3 large meals, we should eat only small meals. We should remain physically active and we should maintain a healthy weight. We should exercise, we should maintain stress and keep a calm mind. As you know, our heart is a muscular organ and we can make it stronger and healthier by doing exercises, running, jogging, swimming, and cycling. These are some examples of exercises which make our heart strong. These exercises are also called as aerobic exercises or cardio exercises. When we do these exercises, our body needs more oxygen, and to get more oxygen, our heart beats fast. That is why these exercises stimulates the heart rate and breathing rate. Now, next, another form of exercise is yoga. Yoga increases our lungs capacity, improves respiratory functions, improves blood circulation, lower blood pressures, build muscles, and even yoga manages stress. Some yoga postures for a healthy heart are: another way for healthy heart is deep breathing. The technique of deep breathing calms our nervous system. It also helps to cleanse the body and ultimately boost heart health. It is essential to breathe right to obtain sufficient oxygen for our body. So hope now today you understood the role of heart and the ways to keep your heart healthy and strong. That is all for today. So children, be healthy and happy. Thank you everyone.